finally did it. 1,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough for making this possible. It's that magic number on YouTube where you start making just a little bit of money with your videos. So thank you so much for that. I really hope you guys have enjoyed all the videos I've put out so far and are looking forward to the videos I've got planned for the future. I've got a lot of plans for this car. It's not going anywhere. Got a lot of plans for the BMW. Gonna enjoy these cars, work on these cars, and hopefully help you guys out with some of the things that you want to do with your cars at home, whether you have a Z or a BMW or another car, and you can kind of apply what I'm doing to your cars. But all I want to do is help you guys out, interact with you. And as a little thank you for getting me to 1,000 views, I am giving away my old steering wheel. So this is the steering wheel that was in this car when it was my daily driver. I eventually swapped over from the pleather to the suede. So I'm going to be giving this one away. You only have to do 5 very simple things to get this steering wheel. Number 1 is subscribe to the channel. Most of you probably already are, but just in case, subscribe. Number 2, go follow me on Instagram. I only have like 200 followers on Instagram, but I've got 1,000 subscribers on here. So just go over there. I've always posted great pictures. It's always good stuff. It's not clickbaity. Number 3, go like my Facebook page. If you want updates on this car, if you want updates on the channel when things are being posted, if you don't want to miss anything, I put some stuff on Facebook. I'm going to start using it even more in the future. So if I want to put out a poll of what do you guys want to see, and I might be going through 5 different videos, you can go there and vote and get the video that you want to see instead of having to wait for maybe it never comes. Number 4, once you follow me on Instagram, comment your Instagram name below so that I know who is who, and I'll follow you back. If you guys are watching this channel, we're probably interested in the same stuff, so what you're posting is stuff that I want to see anyway. And then lastly, like this video. So if you do those 5 things, like the video, comment your Instagram name, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and like my Facebook page, you are entered to win this steering wheel. It's nothing fancy, it's just a generic steering wheel, but it served me very well for a long time. I did a lot of track days with the steering wheel. I drove a lot of daily driven miles with the steering wheel. So I'll be able to ship it to one of you. You have exactly 1 month from whenever this is posted. Whatever date is the date on the bottom of this video, you have 1 month to enter. So 1 month to get all those things done. Once that's done, I'm going to go through, I'll select a random person, put all the names in, put it in a randomizer, select that person, and you'll get the steering wheel. You can do whatever you want with it. Use it on your gaming system as a gaming wheel, whatever you want to do, hang it on your wall. But this will be for you. Thank you so much, guys. It really means a lot. All the comments and emails and interactions and everything that we've had, I really do appreciate it. And I just want to help you guys out and have fun with cars. So if you have any comments, as usual, drop them down below. Hit that subscribe button. All of the links are in the description. And one more time, thank you so much. I will see you guys next week.